Hello everyone, I am M and this is Team Small. So as you can see, we are back in the end. But some things have changed. This video is a little longer, which the following few will also be a little longer to make up for apparently an error that happened yesterday. So there has been a lot of stuff added, including this crate, which is this ant pet crate. Right now on pressing roll, it just teleports you out. And there has been added this. This support tower that will take you pretty long to beat for just 10 coins. That was today's video, and that's M out.